Today, we're on a mission for fishing. The mission? Drill. The fish? Bass. Determination level? 1000%.
Let's go, YouTube. Hey, we back with another video, man. Y'all like the last one, okay? We was doing bluegill with a power drill. Now we're gonna do bass with the power drill. We're going, yep, that's right. We're going bass fishing, okay? Let's get the same spot. We're back at the jungle. This is the spot that I call the jungle. This is where we caught all the bluegill. Now let's go catch us a bass, man. And if we don't catch us a bass here, I got another spot for us to catch a bass. Let's go. I have belief. It can happen, and it will happen. There we go. That's what I like to see. Oh, he was getting bit, guys. Another great cast. I think we're getting better. No. Could've. It hit me with the pink. That was right on my pinky finger and my middle finger. Horns. Y'all, this branch has teeth. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Never give up. Is that a bass? That's a bass. Let's go. That's what we came here for. That's what we came here for. Let's go. Oh my God. Let him go. Let's go. Yo, I thought it was never gonna happen. Oh, I thought it was never gonna happen. I told y'all never give up. We said we coming out here for bass, and that's what we did. A little dink. Let's go. Let's go. You wanna hold the drill? You wanna hold the drill? All right. Look at that, get that. He said, get out the road. Look, guys, honestly, I feel like now we should definitely go to our next spot and catch some more bass with this drill. I think we can do it. Let's do it. I was getting discouraged over here. Let's do it. Dropped him. Woo-hoo. Let's go. All right, guys, we're back. We're at the next spot. We got to switch up a bait. We just caught a bass at the last one. We weren't getting much luck after that. So now we're here. You know what I mean? Let's throw it out. I know the bass over here at this spot, they love hot dogs. So that's what we're gonna use. That's exactly what we're gonna use. And hopefully that's good enough. Hoping that that's good enough. Definitely getting beat down by the sun right now. I'm gonna put it down, guys. You guys know how it is. Put it down. I'll dive in with it. If the drill flies in, I'm flying in. And then the keys won't work and then everything. That's a fish, that's what it is. Got him. Got him. Got him. There it is. That's something. Got him. Let's go, y'all. Somebody was following him in too. He had a buddy like, yo, you all right? What's going on? Talk to me. He can't talk right now. He's out the water. That's another little one, y'all. I'm gonna get that big one. But this is good. We're still getting it. Let's try it. Let's see. Must have bust up. You go grow up. Bye. He's definitely gonna come back up. Oh, you got there above like. You said, what was that? Bass. That's what that was. It was a bass for the push-up. He thought I was slacking, but I was working on getting him in. You guys having fun yet? Oh, I got one. He took it in there. He took it in there. Yeah, maybe not. Feels heavy. I mean, oh crap. He didn't break either. Golly. I knew it. That thief. Look at him. Look what he did, guys. Dang.
Turned it into a hook. He just.
Gotta go one more.
Last cast.
Last cast.
No. That was the last cast.
I don't know about it, man. That was crazy, babe. We gotta go again. Here we go. Got him. Got him. Just like that, y'all. Just like that. Now don't go in there. Don't do it. Ooh, he's nasty. He's a nasty one. He's a nasty one. You guys, that is an ugly one. That's okay. Yikes. Look at his mouth. Oh, he's got line in him. Oh gosh. That's number 3. Yeah, he swallowed a hook already. We know. We're in bad shape, but I don't want you to swallow this though. Oh snap, did I just take the hook back out? Oh, I see the hook now. Let's help this guy out. Maybe he can have a happy life. Stop kicking, or else we're throwing you back in just like this. Nah, okay. Stop that. You stop that nonsense. We know we just mess with your belly, but that's okay, man. Just stop swallowing this thing. Who uses a circle hook for bass fishing? Went through the gills, guys. Yes, sir. We're about to leave. He did? Got it. Came out like butter. We just saved his life. I don't even know whose this is. Y'all gotta do better, man. You're welcome. High five. One more time. All right. Going back in, y'all. Little bass today. No big boys, but we did what we came for. If you guys want a part 2 to this video, like, subscribe, tell me in the comments, okay? If you want a part 2, we'll do a part 2. Simple. Let's throw him back out. Let's give him a good release since we just saved his life. My guy, you gotta swim. You gotta swim. When we put you back in the water, that's when you swim. We just saved your life. Stop embarrassing me. Okay, thank you. Stop. He's good. He's just, his stomach's upset, guys. That's all it is. He just has an upset stomach. That's it. It's just an upset stomach. That's all it is. Nothing crazy. That's okay. Back to you, Mike, in the studio for Fishing for Comments. Thanks, Catch and Release. We'll take it from here. Hey guys, so this is Fishing for Comments. This is where I take you guys' comments from down below and I put them into the video and I respond to them, okay? I pick 3 every video. So if you guys want to be featured into the next video, get down in that comment section and I got you. So first off, we got Ballistics King and he says, why has no one ever thought of this great idea? Very clever, CNR. I don't know. Honestly, I was thinking about it. I've never seen it done before. I thought that it could be entertaining. So I just tried it out and what do you know? It works. If you guys want to see me catch some bigger fishes, let me know. Next, we got Lakika, and he says, keep up that grind, my boy. Love to see it. Hey, I appreciate you. And thank you for that support, man. Keep up that support. We love to see it over here, man. I appreciate you guys. You guys have really been going crazy this last couple of months, man. I'm telling you. Last but not least, we have Really Dairy Tales. And he says, oh boy, I gotta get ready for this one. How in the Colonel Sanders, SpongeBob, the Eiffel Tower, Beyonce, a half-deflated beach ball, Michael Jordan, a confused raccoon, Abraham Lincoln, Pikachu, a rusty lawnmower, Taylor Swift, Bigfoot, Elon Musk, jar of mayonnaise, Harry Potter, broken umbrella, Shrek, Amelia Earhart, a soggy Pop-Tart, the Mona Lisa, Darth Vader, a pair of mismatched socks, Oprah Winfrey, the Statue of Liberty, Batman, crying baby, Bob Ross, a T-Rex, Post Malone, a blender full of jelly beans, Albert Einstein, traffic cone, Chewbacca, Steve Irwin, a microwave, Lady Gaga, an angry goose, Mario, Queen Elizabeth, a hot dog stand, Captain Jack Sparrow, a vending machine, Simone Biles, a rubber chicken, Sherlock Holmes, Garden Gnome, Drake, the Loch Ness Monster, a Polaroid camera, Serena Williams, a bucket of glitter. Did I miss this? Congrats, brother. I don't know how you missed it, man. He's talking about the live stream where we hit 500 subscribers and I got pied in the face. I got 5 gallons, or it was basically 20 gallons of ice water. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys missed it, you guys missed it. It should still be up. I'm not too sure if it's still up by the time I post this video, but nevertheless, that was for 500 subscribers. What should I do next for 1,000 subscribers? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section if you're still here, but let's get back to catch and release while he's drill fishing. If you guys like this video and you want to see me do more bass fishing with this or carp fishing, cat fishing, you let me know in the comments and we're going to get her done. We're gonna get her done, guys. I love y'all. I appreciate you guys for joining in and watching this far. We're doing big things, man. We'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Love y'all. Peace.